It's me, Mario. I'm friends with the same YouTuber you are watching right now. Please do not hear the person in the background. Red light, nobody likes you. Whoever moves first is gay. I guess this guy is gay. Who we want to be? My head was twitching, I promise. Aray mo! Did you see that person named Kobe? Yeah, that's my brother. Yeah, today we're going to... No! Wow, what the hell is that player? My brother's trash at this game. Ranking Kobe. Whoever moves first is gay. Guess my brother's gay. I did not move. That's only on red light. Whoever moves first on red light is gay. I promise. Whoever moves first in red light is gay. Never mind, no one's gay. What do I choose? I choose that one. Dude, he's moving his hands. Did you see that guy's comment down below? Ah! Oh my god, I'm looking at him. I'd rather die if I had. I'd rather die either I have to slap my brother because he's the most dangerous person. I did not mob. Whoever moves first on green light is gay. You're gay. Let's go. Let's go. Dumb. Stop touching me. We're playing leapfrog together. Nobody likes you. Go. You go first. That's it. Dear. Why is it the kid? Oh my god, this guy is dumb. Didn't even. I'm an OG Bacon as my name. Nobody messes with the OG Bacon. I'm pro at this game. You're gonna win! You're gonna win! I always say. No. If the glass breaks, I'm gay. What the hell in the calculation of YouTube history? What did I watch? Oh my god, it's green light door again. I guess my brother's gone. Please do not hop on this platform. I'm begging you, please do not. Please do not. Bro, you... Why the heck? I did not see that coming. Dude, my brother literally fell in a gap. He literally can finish a obby. Why can't he finish this?
Hi, Kuya.
Oh my god, you're a cringe. I'm not your... Whoever did that must pay for the crimes. Guys, if you saw who did that, please report him, block him, and never say hi.
No.
Please, guys, I'm begging you. I'll give you 1 Robux. I'm rich. You ain't rich. You're not my friend. Get out. If you break the glass, you're gay.
Oh my god. Why?
Bro, that you had aura. I am not going. You go.
No.
Oh my god. Go. How in the tornation do you do that? We already were standing here. Thank you for sacrificing your life. Nobody liked you. Aray mo. Uy, lumutang. Hoy, Anton. If you break the glass, you're the worst person. You're looking up to heaven, okay? No hard feelings. I am not going to sacrifice myself for these dumb animals. My brother can't even jump a gap. Oh, okay, thank you for choosing. What your name is Sasuke? Get ripped. No! This game is lagging.
No.
If you know the game, comment.
Yes. What's it? Some game
I didn't move.
Soon game.
The doll is not even there. The doll is not even here anywhere. Is he watching? If the front man is watching us, dude, where the hell is the VIP? I thought you have to watch them suffer for their life, committing their crimes. They didn't even join the game, but they were forced to. I'm just making a video. Sorry guys, that was my mom. Ryan? Dude, who the hell is Queen? Pepsi. Why do you have Pepsi on your shirt? Do you like Pepsi? If you break the glass. What? I forgot it was red light. Oh my god! Oh my god. What in the formation is that avatar? Report this person. Report Jessica Muscov Binason. Disgusting. I'm going away for you. I'd rather die except meeting you. I swear guys, if I die one more time, this is the worst. If I die one more time, this is the worst channel on YouTube. That ain't gonna happen, kids. If you like watching my videos, this is not. Oh my god, this doll is annoying. Whoever goes first is. Oh my god, both of them died. So long, my brother. You go, Sasuke. Thank you. I did not move.
What?
I did not move, okay? Finally, you listen to me. Frat managed to fix this robot. AI is bad. Oh my god, one more step and I will be gone. Hallelujah! I'm still alive, not dead. Why am I lagging? Oh. Go! Sasuke, I believe in you. Why do I lag? Sasuke, no, you go. If you go, I'll give you 1 Robux. Thank you. You are so risky, Sasuke. I'm being. Sasuke, reminder, I will not move until you move. I'm not moving. You move first. You shall move first and pick the deadlight. No one doesn't even know what to go. Never.
Not moving.
Thankfully, I did not jump before he did. Thank you for sacrificing your life. Oh my god, my brother literally jumped on the wrong pad. Oh my god. Kobe's. I swear. How did Sasuke miss that? How in the Tornation did Sasuke miss that? Jessica's been standing there like he's been AFK and it's still a brain not. Reminder, don't play that game. It's dead. It's the great meme reset. Hello, Kobe. Hope you don't die. Okay, actually jump on the front. Really go. Jump, jump, jump. Oh my god, you did double. Thank you for sacrificing your life. I am so lucky, guys. I have a loyal brother.
Not just shut up. Don't save me.
I have a loyal brother. Brother. Guys, you go! Go! I'm the OG Bacon. You should listen to me.
I got.
Okay, if you don't move, you're gay. If you don't move, wait, Kobe, come here. Oh my God! How you missed that? Guess my brothers. Loyal. Please jump, Naruto, come. Really, Naruto, come. Naruto, come. I swear, if you actually do this, do you really have to do that? Nobody likes you anyway. Aha, you almost got cut moved. You must go! Thank you, Naruto, come. It literally took you 20 seconds to just decide. Kobe, how about you help us since you're loyal? Oh my God, you died, Tura. Nobody liked you.
I don't with my humans.
Come on, Kobe, come on. Kobe, no. Okay, go. Jump.
This is for me.
Hindi, jump. Kobe, jump. Kobe, hindi. Jump here, jump here. Okay, jump here. I know. Dito. Thank you. Okay, one more.
Why is Stiggy like?
Hurry! Billy, go. Jump again. Oh my God! Yeah, again. Here. Hurry, come on! I'll give you one more funny video. Oh my God! You are loyal! Come on, go. I believe in you. At least the body didn't fall. No! I was so close to this end.
We actually can do this.
No. I'll look into the heaven. See you later, guys. By the way, it's me, Reed James. Whee! Bye!
What? Why is
One
it
more thing.
Why do the more
Report
thing?
Jessica at all costs. You know the vent? Whee! Why the hell did I die just by